going on YouTube? Isaac Trade here. Let's talk options and what I look for. What is the key thing I look for? There's above all everything else, when I'm looking at options, what I'm looking to do is I'm looking to mitigate my loss. I'm looking break even point, that the BEP, okay? That's what BEP is, what you're looking for, the break even point, because you don't want to lose your money. You want to get your initial investment and break even at the end of the day. If you break even, that's cool because you didn't lose nothing. So a call option provides you with profits similar to long stocks, whereas a put option provides you with profits similar to short stocks. Allow you to buy or sell a stock at a set level. There is one slight difference between stock rewards and option rewards. Options require an initial premium payment that you must consider when identifying potential gains. There are three key value points for option trades: break even, in the money, and out of the money. So calculating potential option rewards requires you to add option premiums to call strike prices and subtract option premiums from put strike prices to come up with a price known as the position's break-even level. A stock's price must rise above the break-even for call option profits to kick in, fall below break-even for put option profits to kick in. That's the best way for me to put it. That's the easiest way for you to understand it. In each case, this results in profits that are slightly less than your stock profits. Here's like a little tip for you guys to remember. A stock's break-even price is your purchase price when buying stock, or your sell price when shorting a stock. As soon as the stock price moves away from this price, you have gains or losses. That's the basic way to look at it. So call options, purchasing a call option gives you rights to buy stock at a certain level. As a result, the option increases in value. When the stock moves upward after a stock moves above your call option strike price, the option has intrinsic value, which increases as the stock continues to rise. Calls with strike price below the price of the stock as referred to as in the money. When you get in the money, which is not out of the money. If you get anything out of the money, you're not going to get any intrinsic value because it has zero intrinsic value. For a call position you own to be profitable at expiration, it must remain above the strike price, plus your initial investment. At this level, option premiums will mainly equal your costs when you bought the call. The break even for a call option is call break even equals call strike price plus call purchase premium. That's the equation for it. That's how you're going to add it up. After a stock price is at the option's break even level, it can continue to risk indefinitely. Your call option can similarly risk indefinitely until expiration. As a result, call option profits are considered to be unlimited, just like stock. Now remember, an option's moneyness is determined by the option's type of the price of the underlying stock relative to the option strike price. Call options with a strike price that is below the strike price are out of the money, and their premium is all-time value. After the stock moves above the strike price, it is referred to as in the money and has intrinsic value along with the time value. It's basically compounds both of the values together. That's why it is important to get time with your options and make sure that they're able to get that if they're already at intrinsic value, which they're not going to reach it until they're in the money. So that's why it's important to give yourself time. Put options. Purchasing a put option gives you rights to sell stock at a certain level. As a result, the option increases in value. When the stock price moves downward, when a stock moves below your put option strike price, the option has intrinsic value, which increases as the stock continues to fall. Puts with strike prices above the price of the stock are referred to as in the money. For a put position you own to be profitable at expiration, it must remain below the strike price, minus your initial investment. At this level, option premiums will minimally equal your cost when you bought the put. The break even for a put option is put break even equals put strike price minus put purchase premium. When a stock is at the option break-even level, it will continue to fall until it reaches zero. Your put option can continue to increase in value until this level is reached, all the way to its expiration. As a result, put options profits are considered to be high, but limited, just like short stocks. So here's another tip for you guys. Call options have risk and rewards similar to long stocks, whereas put options have rewards that are similar to short stocks. Put options risk is limited to the initial investment. The reason your rewards are similar rather than the same is because you need to account for the premium amount you purchased the option for. That's basically all you need to really understand about break even. If you're not going to break even, if you're looking at an option chain and you're looking at a contract and you do not understand what break even is, you're going to set yourself up for failure. Hell, I mean, you might get lucky, but then again, hell, I'm not a professional. This should be considered entertainment use only. You should always consult with one before you buy or sell any asset, or hell, don't be lazy. Look at charts, read smartles. Listen to some random guy or a chick on YouTube. For everybody out there who wants to get into options, learn Thinkorswim, because if you're able to learn TD Thinkorswim paper trading options, you can do it anywhere. Don't do it on Robinhood. Robinhood makes it so they make it stupid easy. Like you know, that's where I'm at. That's all I got for you guys right there. Like I said, don't forget to smash that like. Don't forget to subscribe. Come follow me on Twitter at IDEX Trade.